Hey y'all, it's your boy, and your boy is back. Been having a very busy month and a half with this whole long ass moving process, but your boy is back and ready to ever, and we got a lot of content to cover. Okay. First thing we got this builder gel from Beatles. You know, one of my favorite brands. They've got a builder gel that has a brush applique. And this is the Beatles Gel Nail Polish Builder Gel No Need Slip Solution. So this is claimed to not need a slip solution at all, y'all. So that's what we're gonna be trying out. So let's open it up. It comes wrapped in a plastic. So it has the box, but the box is wrapped in plastic. While I'm opening this up, I went ahead and I put my tips on. If you want to know how I put my tips on, just check out my video on how to do that at the beginning. I'm trying to make it easier for you guys to find it. But I'm going to go ahead and hand y'all over to Nathaniel so he can go ahead and show y'all just the overall. Because I got this from Amazon. So he's going to show y'all the Amazon version. Okay? Okay. All right. Thank you, Nathaniel, for that marvelous explanation and show of Amazon. All right. So this is what the bottle it look like. It's just the average Beatles gel polish bottle. It's just a little bigger. So it says builder gel. This is the UV and LED. So yes, y'all. So you're probably gonna notice I don't have my lamp in here because I just moved into this house. However, that's where the shit starts. However, none of the plugs in this room work, so I have to go to a different room to cure this. But this is what it looks like. It looks almost like a nail polish. See? It's like a new nail polish. So we're gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and do it. So we're gonna put it on like a polish. Yes. Put it on like you would a polish. So far, it goes on pretty easy. The brush helps get into this corner over here. Right. So we just go ahead and we're just doing that. I'm gonna pick up a little more and place it right here to give a little more support. So I want to build that apex. Build the apex up to the best of my capability. That's where we need that strength at. And I'm gonna come down with it. It does seem to be self-leveling itself, so that's a good thing. But so far, I like this. I can't complain. Bam. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to use. It's not like complicated or anything. Kind of bring some of this back. You just gotta get it where you want it. I got it just where I want it. So you see how I got that nice application. Got some nice support in there. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera, and then we're gonna come back into the final reveal, okay? And I'm gonna kind of give y'all my first impression and review of this, okay? Okay. It's your boy Nathaniel, the voiceover god of these videos. What it do, boo? All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this. So, this is the product that we purchased off of Amazon. This is the Beatles Builders Nail Gel 15 milliliters 5-in-1 Builder Strengthener Gel Translucent Cover Neutral Nude Color Jelly Gel Hard Nail Extension, Gel Brush, and Bottle Base Gel Needed Beetles V-Day Gift for Women. That is a long name. This is the product. So basically, it's a Beetles Gel Polish Builder Nail Gel. It's UV and LED cured. Period. Okay. And as you can see here, this one retails for about $629. And with Prime, it's free delivery, and you can literally get this. I don't know how many days this is. It doesn't tell you how many days, but it'll be a while. I'm currently filming this on the 19th, and it'll be delivered on the 24th. So it's a good day's wait, but it's worth the price. As you can see, they also have other options as well. They also have a 12 colors one if you want to try more colors. They have a rose gel. They have another 12 color set. Then they have some individuals that are different prices, so on and so forth. Again, this retails for $6.29 with free delivery. That's with Prime. With Prime. All right. And Ricky did want me to note that with this product, it does apply very thin. So you may have to go in with 2, if not 3 or 4 layers, so that you get the desired thickness required, especially if you're doing longer nails. You most definitely want to go in with a couple with 3 or 4 layers. But if you are, you part of the short nail gang, you won't have to do many layers, maybe 2, if they're at the most 3. But other than that, that's pretty much the breakdown for it. It says nail prep is essential before application. Base gel and top coats are needed. Okay. And it gives you kind of like some key points, color gel, nail extension, nail shaping and apex building, nail enhancement, unevenness covering overlay. Then they kind of show you some designs using the nail color to let you see what that nude looks like. It is a very light nude. It says perfect for building natural nail extensions with translucent colors. Always at your fingertips. You can apply it in 3 minutes and last for up to a month with salon quality. For me personally, from what Ricky told me, the nails did break off while he was at work. So that is something to think of, but that's because he likes his nails a lot longer. So if they're shorter nails, you don't have to worry about it. But it does say 0 lifting, which that is true. I didn't really get a lot of lifting. 0 cracking. I did get some cracks, but that's just because my nails were longer and a bit thinner. 0 peeling off, which is also very true. And 0 chipping, which I didn't have no problems with that. Then it's supposed to be lightweight, yet as durable and stable as acrylic extension, more flexible, higher clarity, little older. So if anything, it was very durable and stable. Even though it was on the thinner side, it still gave me that strength that I needed. If anything, it wasn't really that much flexible like a polygel or anything. It did give higher clarity, and it doesn't have an odor at all. Effortless and smooth experience. This is just it going over more stuff, a thick and voluptuous. I said voluptuous. Oh wow. Oh wow. A thick and viscous self-leveling. It does self-level for mullah, or is it mullah, that eliminates bubbles and masks unevenness. That is something that I did notice, is it didn't have any bubbles in it. And this is just a little quick video. Them just telling you. They also have a how to use, which is very helpful for people who might be trying this for the first time. It's pay less, get more. Lets you know Beetles and then other, and it compares. Right. It says for the smell, it has a slight smell. Honestly, it didn't have no smell at all for me. Gentle and harmless. That is true. When I took, even after, because I decided to take the nails off after breaking them, it came off pretty easy, and it's strong and flex fit, which is also true. But that's pretty much the whole Amazon part of this. I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all back over to Ricky. All right, back to you, Ricky. All right, y'all. So I did both hands. I did the other hand off camera, filed them and buffed the nails. And so far, I actually love this. You pretty much apply it like a nail polish. It has a nice viscosity to it. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. It has like the perfect consistency to it, and I really love that about it. It also gives you like a really good nude. This nude is a little lighter, but I, it's still usable. The opacity of the nude of just the overall builder gel is pretty good because it doesn't have like a sheer look or anything. It has a lot of pigment in it. I absolutely love this product. Yeah, so I would have to most definitely will use this again a couple of times. Like I actually really love this product. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this first impression slash review. It is a really small video because I do have a lot of other videos planned. I have three tutorials to do, and they're all collabs. So stay tuned for that. We got some really cute stuff coming out as well. Yes. Other than that, I'm not gonna hold y'all up because I do gotta film other stuff. I got other stuff to do. Okay, I gotta catch up. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Batty Yaddy Yaddy and share because sharing is caring is the only type. Oh, hold up, wait a minute. I haven't done this so long. I forgot my script. Cause sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? Okay. Y'all. Oh, I screwed that up. Oh, I fucked that up. Oh my god. I can't believe I did that, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Okay, y'all. It only get better. It gets better from here, okay? That's all I can promise. Okay. Other than that. Don't, yeah, I already said that. If anything, let me go ahead and go, y'all. I'm just rambling at this point. Okay, so peace.